My name is Renee Wells. I'm the VP of Product Strategy and Product Management here at Rimini Street. Years ago, when we were providing support and services for ERP applications, there was no one application that did not have integrations, did not have middleware, did not have database technologies that were surrounding those applications. And as the market changed, you found certain bits and pieces of business processes being pulled out into edge products as well. Our customers were asking us, can we provide services for those middleware technologies, for the database technologies, now for the infrastructure stacks that they're sitting on, for the integrations to the edge products, to the actual products that are sitting around the edges of those. And when we looked at the products and services that we were supporting, we looked at our engineering talent that we have built over the past 20 years. We determined that we had the capabilities, and in fact, in many situations, we were already providing those services for those products. We started off with Oracle, moved into SAP. We support IBM products. We support Microsoft products. We support technologies that are often embedded in these applications. OpenText, that came with SAP, and we've expanded our OpenText capabilities. We support products that integrate into those ERP applications, whether it's Informatica or Tibco, IBM integration products. So the way an organization engages with Rimini Street on Rimini Custom comes in with a request. I have a product that I need support and services for. And it could be for any reason. It could be because they're facing an end of life, end of support on that product. It could be because they're not getting great support and services from the software vendor. Or it could be that they find themselves doing a lot of self-support, so they need to free up their resources. So an organization will call Rimini Street and tell us what their pain is and where is that pain? What is the product that they need help and services on? Rimini Street will assess whether or not that is a product that we are providing services for today, and oftentimes that box gets checked. If it's not, then we'll assess the product. We'll look at the technology, because many of the applications actually have very similar technologies. And then what we'll do is we'll provide a proposal back to the organization or even our client on their, majority of the time, what their cost savings can be and how we can help them to provide support and services. There are many applications that are facing end of life and end of support, and it's very important to act now in regards to what you want to do with those applications. And I think one of the options that many organizations have not even considered is third-party support, to be able to free up time, to be able to free up budget, to not have to make the determination whether the next release of that application under subscription is going to cost me more money, more time, more resources, or even potentially break something and cause additional instability inside of my tech stack. So it's important to act now. And Rimini Street, we can help you provide those support and services for those applications.